precision wristwatch is truly a marvel of engineering. It's hundreds of tiny parts assembled together to do one thing: tell time. That's us. That's Rainbow. Men and women working hand in hand and shoulder to shoulder, building a single, incredible creation.
To fixing and repairing the game.
You're invisible! You're invisible! You're invisible!
What the fuck is this?
Through hard work, absolute dedication, and unbridled passion, we sweat every detail, no matter how small, achieving something far greater than ourselves.
Dude, it's like, what the fuck is
It
this?
is an experience that will change you forever.
Welcome to the 6th Invitational!
No!
What the fuck? What is that?
Wait, I'm Robert! I teleported!
Join us. We will come together, so we may be stronger apart.
Thank you, Ubisoft, for being broken. Thank you, Ubisoft. Thank you, Ubisoft, for being completely broken.